My life is a series of internal choices, none of which was easy at the beginning. My life is a series of internal choices, each of that makes me happy. How often do you have a choice? Do you always have the right choice? I was born in a good family with our own traditions and respect. My father is a lawyer and he wanted me to be a lawyer too. I finished law school and started working in arbitration court, later in bar association. I was good in my profession, it was easy for me. I was happy to win difficult cases in court, and it was a real drive at the beginning. But deep down, I really wanted to have a job that would bring more visible benefits for people. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Please, raise your hands. When I worked in bar association, I had a case with a deaf man. He bought a flat in a house that had not been built yet. A few months after purchase, he found out that his flat was sold to another person. His flat was sold to a company's accountant for a warm relationship with the boss of this company. The litigation was for more than 2 years. I won this case, but I lost all my life energy. I continued to work in bar association, but I didn't have any satisfaction from my job. The bureaucracy was putting me down. So I dared to start to look for my own life, my own decisions, and my own path. One day I was driving from my legal job and suddenly stopped my car. I stopped my car and confidently entered to the orphanage. "Hi, my name is Yulia and I want to help your kids," I said to a director. And the director allowed me to communicate with teenagers. I started to communicate with a group of teenagers whose chance to find a family was zero. Few families are ready to adopt their teenagers, but almost everyone wants to adopt a baby. And teenagers stayed overboard, and I wanted to help them. I started with the new and unknown sphere for me, but it was a real call from my heart and my soul. I started a friendship with 3 boys at the age of 14 and 16. I helped them to enter the university, to find a good job, even in relationship with their parents and girlfriends. They didn't know how to love and how to be loved. Now they are realized in their lives. They have a good job, cozy home, and good friends. And I'm really proud of them. To be a good mentor, you need to have inner strength and a lot of energy. But I didn't have enough energy, and I started to find and train new mentors for another teenagers. Now I have a big and good project. We have a lot of mentors who build friendship with teenagers. We have a lot of activities for foster families, for partners. We receive private and governmental support. Developing this project, I was so happy. In the evening, I couldn't wait to start a new day to create some new options for mentors and children. Having taken a chance, I didn't lose. I discovered myself in a new way. I found my personal power and new opportunities. It was a great experience, and I'm happy that I listened to myself many years back. Now I feel the new period of personal dissatisfaction. I feel that I'm in the border of something new and unknown. I feel that I need to make a new choice. It's not a failure for me not to know who I want to be in my 30 plus. I might be an expert in social projects, launching them in different countries. Or I become a happy mother and wife, or I create another company. I feel a great self-potential for something new and important. For me And I think for all of you, it's definitely very important to create something large scale in the future. Don't be scared on this adventurous journey to self-discovery. Life has so many interesting twists to offer. Don't stop wanting. If you keep wanting, you keep trying. And don't forget, we shouldn't be scared to be nobody at some point of eternity, to find our own way and happiness again.